What is good, everybody? Welcome to today's video. So in this episode, is it an episode? I don't know. Today we're gonna be going and burning up some tires, having some fun with friends. I've got some sticky boys that I want to try to start running on the S14. A little bit wider tire, but in order to do that, I gotta kill what's on the car first. So gonna go do some burnouts, maybe go do some sliding with the boys. Jeff actually just got himself into a new house. Congratulations to you, Jeff. Awesome. He's gonna be doing a sick burnout, breaking a new place. So check that out and enjoy today's video. Did a little bit of something to those tires, I guess. We'll see. Definitely did something to my gas gauge. Figured I'd hit another one of the little spots on the way. Maybe.
I told you a burnout in the lawnmower. Put it up against the wall, we'll just pick it up a little bit. I guess. What the fuck is he doing?
So we're here at Jeff's new home.
The Dojo Mojo Casa house.
Casa de la Dirte. Yes, he's gonna break it in with a sick burnout in his garage and or driveway, preferably garage.
Bro, good shit, man. Good shit. You lit your fucking house on fire, man.
Slightly.
Good shit. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Okay, now, annual thing.
Once a year, first fucking burning in your garage.
No, then driveway next time. This was kind of the last send-off for it for hopefully not too long.
You did great. Smoked out the house.
That's how it's done. You gotta really break in the house.
Alright, so we are headed to a little spot. We're gonna go try to kick it a little bit. Got the homie Mike back there, got Jeff up ahead. We just got to a spot, they're kind of scoping it out. We're gonna shake some rust off, I guess.
slide's a different mic. Shit, dude. Good shit, guy.
Thanks, man.
You did great.
Thanks, man.
You did great.
Oh, yeah.
And again, just had the cops roll up on us. So spot's hot. I need to get gas. We're gonna roll out, go cruise. Looks like we got some rain coming, so we might go slide. We're gonna see what we get into. Fucking cruising to another spot.
Yeah, it's
Actually going to get gas. Come home without, and it fucking just started pouring.
Moist.
This the spot, Alright, we about to hit the little boat basin here. They going this first little whipped around here, and then out through here. But I'm gonna try to get a good little shot coming through. Right here. Yeah, that's the spot. That's the spot, y'all. That's the fucking spot right there for sure. Breaking up a little bit. Nope. You gotta send it, my boy. You gotta send it.
I can't see.
You don't got a rack or something?
I'm trying. It's not doing nothing.
What?
So now my windshield's at least defogged, so I can fucking see.
Oh yeah, that's what he's having problems with too.
Yeah.
His fucking window.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good? You good? There we go. No, he had it. I think he might have been scared he was gonna hit me. But he had it. What's this dude's problem? What's your problem?
I can't see.
Can't see? You can see enough. What do you mean you can't see, bro?
It's to get my.
Bro. Don't let out! Oh yeah, you are breaking up bad. Is it breaking up at that point?
It breaks up when I try to like power out.
Oh yeah.
Cause I have to let off. I can't just stay in it.
Right.
Like, I have to like transition.
Are you sure? What if you just like let off the gas a little bit and still keep a little load maybe?
Oh, yeah, I'll try. Fuck it.
You're entering beautifully though.
Yeah. Alright, we'll try.
Coach Ant, what you talk about, baby? We got this, baby. All right, give me a going, boys. Stay in it. Yes, sir. That was the one I needed. Yo, fuck yeah, that was what I wanted right there. You didn't let out, and he didn't let out, bro. So it's like y'all was on the same line.
You're right. I just stayed in it a little bit, just like a lighter throttle, and yeah, I did good.
Bro. Good shit, though.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Good shit. That's what I need.
That was more better.
Get me up. Yeah. Fuck yeah, my turn.
Yeah, boy, I'll film.
And this isn't a good spot for me.
Thanks for not killing me. Where were you staying? Oh, you're over here. Oh, yeah. All right.
bro. I almost got it. Almost
You really, you fucking do.
Your outer zone on the team.
I'm trying,
No,
I'm max
it's-
luck. Bro, I think the one last time with that full lock was fine.
You did great, Dunk. You did great.
I
We
need
have
to go
clips
run.
of this turn where you're
that-
like
yeah,
full
it's like
lock,
full lock.
edge of the road.
Yeah, it's a wide body. I try to fit the whole body. Like, on
Oh,
the road.
you fit her.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Killing it.
Hell yeah.
All right, let's go scumbag.
Yeah, scumbag.
We might have to show him. Oh, Jesus.
I did that same
Watch while
shit.
you're
Oh, my
whipping
bad.
that thing.
My bad. I did that same shit he just did on this fucking hump right here.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
All right, your turn.
Hello.
Hello.
We all just got a good kick. Now it's your
That's
turn,
good.
bro. No, it's my turn.
Yeah, you showed
You're
up there
in
in
game
perfect
just
time.
in time. It's
Car's
very
all
nice.
warmed up.
It's very nice. Plug?
That's how it's turned out. We have to walk you through.
Yeah.
Hit it around and we'll meet you over there.
Hit it way later. Come in, go in, clutch kick. You know what I mean?
Like get a little body roll too.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it now, bro.
Momentum. We're like Han teaching the fucking.
Yeah, that shit.
Rip
Again.
Depot.
Again.
Better. Again.
Yeah, it moved. There is a little bit of paint flaked away. I don't know if that was there already.
No, it's already there. We're cool. We're good.
Is that your exhaust? Your muffler tip is a scrape.
Okay, I was wondering what that noise was.
It's the perfect like muffler drag.
Oh yeah. That's it right there. You just gotta feather it through right here so it don't spin out. But that's it.
A little bit more body roll so you don't understeer.
You getting it though. Faster! That but later. That but later. Later, you gotta hit it later and deeper. You good?
You sent it though,
Alright.
bro.
Yeah,
Respect.
good
Hell
shit,
yeah,
bro.
you
Good
did great.
shit.
Thanks, guys.
Good
You did
shit.
great. You actually
Pointers
progressed
help.
quite a lot.
Yeah, for sure. You're starting to get it, bro. It's all seat time. It really is, bro.
Yeah, I gotta go get dinner with them.
You're good. No, you're good. I'm gonna head back to the house.
Alrighty, boys.
Yeah, see you later.
Yeah, me neither, bro.
Bye.
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 Adios.
Goodbye. I'm following you.
Very
for a while.
fun, very fun.
Very, very good.
Fucking clear.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I guess that'll be a wrap on this video. Like, I don't know what video I'm making. This kind of just turned into its own thing.
Are you vlogging now? Hey, bro, there's plenty to make a video.
That's
You're a
true.
vlogger.
Kinda.
Yeah.
I'm a weird vlogger with shitty how-to videos. That's what I make. How-tos that aren't really how-tos. But... And that's a wrap on today's video. It was really fun getting out, sliding with the boys, doing some burnouts, breaking in a new house, and getting some of the unusual suspects to actually come out, have some fun, get behind the wheel, and really progress some of their skills. So if you guys enjoy that progression, if you enjoy some sliding, if you enjoy kicking it with your friends, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button with the maybe little notification bell if you decide you enjoy what the channel's about and you want to see some more of builds, shenanigans with friends, whatever it may be. But as always, appreciate you guys tuning in, and don't forget to play in traffic.